Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to handle work orders that are associated with an asset missing required information or basically incomplete. This is important because you cannot submit or invoice the work order until unnecessary asset details are documented. When you open the work order, you'll see a message in the work order description, just like this. This work order is associated with an asset that is missing required information. Please document the following missing information for this specific asset. It shows serial, refrigerant type, and refrigerant capacity. You will be required to enter this information into the work order before you can submit an invoice. Scroll down to the missing asset information section of the work order. You'll see the fields listed and a button called Add Missing Info. Click Add Missing Information, and a window will appear where you can enter the required details. Serial number, refrigerant type, refrigerant capacity. You want to make sure to fill in all necessary fields. Leaving anything blank will prevent you from submitting or invoicing the work order. Once you've entered all the missing details, click Update, and the work order will now show the asset is complete and you can proceed with submitting or invoicing the work order. Always check the description message for any missing asset fields. You have to double check each value before updating to ensure accuracy. Completing asset information ensures correct service history and reporting for each piece of equipment. And that's it. By documenting missing asset information, you keep your work orders accurate, prevent submission delays, and ensure all asset records are complete.